(2814) Garden View, AO. Nice and clean, very modern. Okay, so we have Garden View, level 2. Ooh, it's kind of like a jungle. I was gonna upgrade to Ocean View, but I don't know. I don't think I mind it. It's relaxing. And then the people can't look at you on your balconies who are on the beach. Done what?
Hot tub. Let's go.
Look at how big our bed is. We have a king at home. It is not this big. I feel like the camera isn't showing how big it is.
This is a shed. Right here.
Yes. This is not showing how big this is.
King of the castle.
Bathroom. Shower.
Let's go get a drink. Wonder what's inside.
Some beer, got some juice, got some pop and some water, some peanuts. Coffee machine.
Some nice mugs.
Yeah.
Not the paper ones.
I know. Super nice. They just dropped off some fruit to us from the hotel. Yummy. If you have a garden room view, you could potentially be looking at a building. So request a room as far to the end or away from the lobby as possible to get more of the jungle view. Room 5722. Ocean view. Fifth floor. Huge bed. Look at that. The garden view and the ocean view are pretty much the same, except the ocean view does have a full couch and coffee table, whereas the garden view only has a chair in that area. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please check out my video on the beautiful grounds of Barcelo. And if you got enjoyment out of this, please like and subscribe.